Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling Apple Cash and confirming your identity. You'll need two-factor authentication on your Apple ID and a linked bank or debit card. Add the card in Wallet and tap Apple Cash to follow the verification prompts. This lets you receive daily cash. Once done, make sure your card is verified and your region supports Apple Cash so payments and transfers function without delays. Now focus on earning and managing daily cash. Use Apple Pay at participating merchants to automatically receive the percentage back. Open Wallet, select Apple Cash, and review each transaction's daily cash entry to track earnings. You can spend daily cash instantly with Apple Pay, transfer it to your bank, or keep it in your Apple Cash card. Choose based on convenience or saving goals and adjust settings for automatic transfer. To finish, transfer or use accumulated daily cash. Tap Transfer to Bank for instant or standard options, confirm amounts, and authenticate with Face ID or passcode. If daily cash doesn't appear, verify the merchant qualification, review purchase receipts, and ensure Wallet and iOS are updated. Sometimes logging out and back into your Apple ID helps. If verification or transfers fail repeatedly, contact Apple support with screenshots. Keep transaction dates and last 4 card digits ready for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.